Say morning, guys. I'm getting my haircut today. We're taking him somewhere else. Hindi sa pinuntahan namin last time kasi last time it was very harsh yung pagkagupit sa kanya.
And then we look like he got out of jail.
So yeah, we're taking him to Rough. It's a dog thing.
Hey, I wanna see
Yeah. Like guys, alam niyo ba, wala pa kaming mga bihis guys kasi sobrang aga. Ewan ko kay Daddy Mike, nag-book lang sobrang aga.
How old is the lead there, Ate?
Hold the lead, anak. So, hindi kami nagbihis. Lumabas kami ng bahay. Wait.
Got it.
Okay. Hey! Can you be a good boy, please? Okay? Tingnan niyo, sobrang ano na ng balahibo niya. Hindi na makakita ba?
There.
Ang ating baby sa na yan. Oh, kailangan kong gisingin. I had to carry her in the car. Kasi...
Hey, Mom, I'm just going with Daddy.
Okay.
Bye-bye. I'll make sure Louis doesn't go to jail.
Hi pa lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, you can still go to sleep, my baby girl. I'm such a big girl, Mama. I love you.
Hello.
I love you.
Yay.
Did you get mixed up, Daddy?
Huh?
Did you get mixed up?
I swear, I thought it was the like 13th of, I'm sure I said 13th of January, sure, instead of 13th of February. That's alright. She said, like, either way, she was like, let's see.
13th of February pala lang.
Yeah, see, that's our next appointment is Thursday, 13th of 2nd.
Yeah.
I thought it was this, our appointment was Thursday, today. I better get stupid. Louis.
All that for nothing, Baba. Hmm?
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Go and sit down.
Get next.
Let's just go home.
Come here.
Wait, Mom.
It's a prank!
Mama, look.
Initin natin to. May puto cheese pa pala ako dito, oh. From, city. So, it's 10:30 and yung family natin wala dito. Lumabas si Daddy Mike tsaka yung tatay niya with the girls. So, they'll have breakfast outside. So, hindi sumama si mami niyo kasi at 10:45 my appointment si mami niyo. Actually, aalis na ako like real soon. Buti na lang malapit na yung pupuntahan ko. But we are going to have chemical peel today. So, remember a few days ago, pumunta ako sa dermatologist sa clinic. And at that time, she gave me the vitamin C and then another serum for night kasi vitamin C sa umaga. So I've been using it for a couple of nights, couple of days now. And so far, okay naman siya guys. Wala akong issue. So, ayan yung ating mukha. But today, we're going to do the chemical peel. I don't know exactly the name. Nakalimutan ko ano yung tawag niya guys. But it's going to be good for our skin. And this one, sinabi niya sa akin na we will do twice. So, 6 weeks apart. So, it means gawin namin today, yung first, and then yung second one ay pagkabalik na namin from the Philippines. Kasi, alam nga naman mag-chemical peel ako guys just before going to the Philippines. And meron siyang downtime, 3 to 7 days. Kasi apparently magpipeel siya and all that. So parang magiging rough yung skin. So, yeah, we'll do the first one. I'm very, very excited, guys. Regarding the laser, so I mentioned to you before, guys, na sabi ko, lumalaba siya, it came back, or whatnot. The one who did the laser made it clear to me na melasma obviously is different from freckles. Yung melasma is deep talaga lang, hindi lang yung sa surface. So, it might take a while. The result might take, like, from 4 to 6 weeks. Kasi slowly siya mag-work, hindi yung diretso yung effect. So it's good that after doing the laser, I can do this peel kasi on top of that, like ang tawag dito, parang ma-expedite yung process ba. So yeah, let's just hope they will work, at least I'm trying, like I'm really trying. Now that I can do it, I'm seriously like putting all in, my effort to get the skin that I deserve. The skin that I really want, guys. So, let's see. Pack na rin ako. Ayan, meron tayong ipopost. And both of these are going to United States of America. So one dress and one Zimmerman dress and one Acne Studio na scarf. Okay. So while nasa labas tayo, gagawin na lang din natin ito para hindi na pabalik-balik yung lakad natin. This is straight after the Jessner. So yan yung pangalan ng ating peeling. I should not touch my skin. Still a little bit of tingling happening, but it's good. Sabi niya, I've done very, very well. So yeah, that's our face. Let's see. Let's get out of here now, guys. Oh. Ito yung outfit natin. Ba yung mukha. Oh my God. Alright. Check tayo, guys. It is 12:45 ng tanghali. So it is, ano na ba? An hour after our peel. So, ayan na tingnan ang ating peslak. Ganyan. So, sabi niya, at first, mag-tighten. And then, that's where it will start, like, flaking and die in the next coming days. So, yeah. So far, wala naman siyang, na masakit or mahapdi. My face feels normal. So, I'm good. And anyways, after kanina sa clinic, pumunta ako ng post office kasi pinost ko yung dalawa, diba? And then, nakatanggap ako ng tawag from UPS, guys, na nakatanggap sila ng box for mommy from South Korea. So, hindi ko napansin, guys, kasi hindi ko na-track yung tracking number na yun. Dumating siya kaagad-agad. So, ayan na, na-pick up na natin siya. Nasa likuran, at kakauwi lang natin dito sa bahay. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi yung gamit ko is yung cellphone ko, guys. Hindi ko dinala yung ang tawag dun sa Osmo Pocket 3, whatever it is. Kasi chinarge ko ba. So phone lang yung gamit natin. But that's what it looks like, guys. Ayan. Diba? Marks. My goodness. Anyways, tinatawagan ko si Daddy Mike kanina pa, guys. Hindi sumasagot. But I think he is grooming Louis. Tayo ng box. Yes, meron na naman tayong i-unbox. Tiyang-tiyaranan! Stocks, guys. Pambenta ni mami nyo. Business is life. Alam niyo na.
Five minutes later.
Summer ready? Kasi ate Paris natin, guys, ay napatulog ng Daddy Mike natin. So, nakita nyo kanina. Yes, Baba? Ganyan siya pinapatulog ni Daddy Mike. Nakakatulog siya pag
But I like
massage.
always playing toys.
I
I like
At
playing
ito siya.
toys.
She said she wants sushi, so we're going to get sushi. We'll see kung open na sila. Not sure kung open sila kasi long holiday ata. Ay, they're open na ata lang.
Mama, always want to buy.
Oh, that's cool. Do you want the chicken and rice or sushi? Huh? Hi, Happy New Year. Which one? Oh, do you want the rice and the chicken? What?
The one on the green one.
This one. That's the California that you want. Okay, we'll get the California. Okay. Can I get one California, please? And one sweet chili. Sweet chili. Thank you. For Celine, she loves California roll, and I've got sweet chicken. Sweet chili. You want this now? You want sauces? No? So, sa dati may pinatulog niya si Ate Paris natin guys kasi 4 o'clock may jujutsu si Ate Paris. And first time na manunood yung lolo niya. Kaya sabi ni Daddy Mike, you need the energy and kailangan mo talagang mag-rest. So kanina yun, pinatulog ni Daddy Mike. So while she's sleeping, dito kami ni Baby Celine kasi gusto ng bata to yung
I'm
mag-sushi.
still sleeping. That's how can I open it?
Bakit ako
How
guys
can I
kasi?
open it there?
You wanna open it? Oh my God. Para masaraduhan ng ating mukha. That's what it looks like.
Look at my face. Look at my face.
Yeah. I wish it's like that, my face. Soon, hopefully. Ayun.
How can I check this out? Give me my money.
Give me mama.
Mr. Yaki.
No, why do you have to open it now? Silly. Are you silly? Or are you upset?
I cannot put this.
Hey, no! Why did you get sushi if you're not gonna eat this? Oh, shit. See, I cook rice at home. You should have just cooked rice. Bantay ka ka lang.
A few moments later.
I like money chair. I should buy the corn put the seatbelt on. I should buy the corn put the seatbelt on. It's too little.
Yeah, still little. That's Celine's chair. Andito kami sa... Ate, where are we?
Huh?
Where are we? Yeah, we're at the Jiu-Jitsu,
I'm sitting
Last night the Paris. And the chef is gonna watch you. Kitang gilas nga. Panis niya.
Daddy, I mean, Mom, can I go sit back?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit Daddy.
Okay. Hanggang mo na. Ayaw mo na si yung daddy. Celine on her chair. Nakatapos lang ng jiu-jitsu ni ate. Huh?
Get him some yochi.
I'm hungry.
Yochi?
What's yochi?
Yochi? Sorry.
People dress less here than in Melbourne.
Huh?
People dress less here than in Melbourne.
Oi, I got some.
Oh my God! Andito kami sa pub, guys. We're having dinner here. Show me? And si Daddy Mike tsaka si papa niya nag-order lang. That's nice. We passed by the massage place, guys. At yung mama ng friend at first friend na rin namin. Tinawag niya yung mga kids and nirigaluhan sila nito. So cool. Anak, give me the rubbish lang, be.
Doing this on Christmas, can we like do it today into the other day? We're gonna go.
I believe we should be at this place. This country should be doing a lot better than that.
Ay! Lucky!
So it's now 11:30 ng gabi. So it's been 12 hours. 11:30 tayo kayo na, diba? So yeah, 12 hours na nilagay yung peel sa ating mukha. So ito na yun siya. Ito na siya tingnan. Ayan. So as you can see, makintab na makintab siya, guys. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya hinugasan or whatnot. Kasi, sabi ni Sandra, yung gumawa nito, na it's better to keep it like overnight para more yung benefit para sa skin. So, maybe by tomorrow morning, I can wash it just very gentle. See if I have anything like gentle lang na wash. And then put how do you call it? Put moisturizer and of course the sunscreen. We'll see how it goes in the next coming days, guys. Kung may peeling ba talagang magaganap kasi tinignan ko rin sa YouTube, nag-research ako about the chemical peel na Jessner. And it showed na talagang nagpipili yung mukha mo. But some, like probably like few percent, sabi na wala naman daw ang peeling na naganap sa kanila. Merong peeling but very minimal. Pero yung iba talaga nakita ko, guys, like parang like skin talaga yung nag-take off talaga bang ganun. So I don't know, hindi ko alam kung ano yung i-expect sa skin ko, guys. But at the moment, all I can say is it's a little bit tight. Hindi siya sobrang tight, just a little bit tight. Alam mo yung pag naglagay ka ng egg white sa mukha, yun yung feeling. Kasi I used like egg white before para ilagay sa mukha. Parang nababanat yung mukha mo ng ganyan. So that's why you can see, actually, yan, pero pa siyang guys, yung parang, siguro kasi pinaliguan ko yung mga kids kanina. So, yung steam from the shower made it like, tingnan nyo, makintab. But yeah, ayan siya. Karong-klaro dyan. Oh my god, dito sakit. This one especially, guys, because there's an inflammation going on. Kasi may tumubong anong tawag ito? Pimple ba ito siya? Ay nga. Grabe kini nga pimple nga. Kadako man. Ayan. But hopefully, oh my god, guys, it's very visible. Oh my god, scary. This camera is talagang walang filter yung camera na ito, guys. Talagang pinapakita talaga yung totoong pangyayari sa buhay, guys. Okay, ayan. Anyways, I'm so excited to show you the next coming days para, you know, makita niyo kung meron ba siyang kaibahan or wala. Kasi, alam niyo ba, sabi ni Sandra kanina, that's why in her clinic, she doesn't offer the laser. Because when you say laser, it means heat, right? Like they apply heat on your skin. At kapag kasi you apply heat at may melasma ka, nagkakos siya ng, kalimutan ko yung word. Basta nagkakos siya ng hyperpigmentation. Kasi parang nagbo-bruise siya, ganun. So, pinakita ko sa inyo last time, diba, na medyo nag-lighten up siya, but then maybe a week later, bumalik siya. bumalik yung pagda-dark ng ano ko, ng skin ko. So hopefully this one will help lighten it up once again. But we'll see. At the moment, kitang-kita talaga dyan. Kawawa naman yung mukha ko eh. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Basta, pakita ko na lang sa inyo next tomorrow. Mag-vlog din tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa mukha natin. Go now because Tanimak wants to use it. He wants to use the toilet and you don't want to hear it. Yeah.
Almost so you don't mess with
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And I'm very sorry kung very ano yung voice ko kasi yung mga kids tulong natin tatay na Danimak. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye.